Whoa, look at all these lights!
Be careful, we don't know what they are.
Don't worry, they are friendly. Whoa, look at that! What is it?
It's a dragon!
We have to face it!
Alright.
Whoa, what is that thing? A shadow beast, stay back!
Okay, viewers, I'm sure you've already watched this video, and you can clearly see how unique and powerful these three characters look. And the best part? These characters will stay consistent throughout the entire long video. Today, I'm going to show you how we can create a complete magical story video using just one master prompt. So without wasting your time, let's jump directly into ChatGPT. Once I open ChatGPT, I simply write my prompt. As you can see, I've already prepared it. I wrote, "Create a magical jungle adventure story featuring one brave boy, one intelligent girl, and one friendly alien. The three characters enter a mysterious jungle together where they face dangerous creatures and magical forces." After that, I clearly instructed it to provide a consistent character master prompt, a complete story prompt with details, scene-by-scene prompts, separate prompts for image and video generation. Now, viewers, don't worry. I will also provide this full prompt inside my YouTube description, so you don't need to memorize anything. Once I click enter and wait just a few seconds, you can see something amazing happens. It automatically generates character master prompts for the brave boy, intelligent girl, and friendly alien, a complete structured story, detailed scene-by-scene image prompts, scene-by-scene video generation prompts. Everything is perfectly organized. As I scroll down, you can see it has prepared every single prompt exactly according to my instructions, and that's the power of using one clear, structured master prompt. Now again, don't panic. When I upload this video on YouTube, you'll find the full prompt link in the description. Just copy it, paste it, and you'll get the same results. And if you want to customize anything, you can easily modify it. All the prompts are highly detailed, unique, and professionally structured. Now let's move to the next step, text to image. We'll use our generated prompts to create cinematic images first, and then convert them into stunning video scenes. Let's jump into the next tool. Okay, viewers, now we're moving to the next tool called Whisk. Yes, viewers, this is Google's newly released tool, and today I'm going to generate both images and video assets using this platform. So first, I'll copy the Brave Boy character master prompt that we generated earlier. Now I'll paste the prompt here inside Whisk and click on Generate. And as you can see, within just 10 to 20 seconds, our first character is ready. Look at this. This is our brave boy character, and you can clearly see how detailed, consistent, and high quality the result is. The lighting, the expressions, the design, everything looks amazing. Now let's generate the friendly alien character. Again, I simply paste the character prompt, click Generate, and within seconds the alien character is ready. And you can see how unique and visually strong it looks. Now, without wasting any time, let's move to the scene-by-scene prompts. I'll paste Scene 1 here. After pasting Scene 1, I'll click Generate and wait a few seconds. And here it is. Our first scene has been generated beautifully. You can clearly see the intelligent girl, the brave boy, and the friendly alien, all perfectly consistent with the original character designs. Now, I'll copy Scene 2, paste it here, click Generate, and again, within 10 to 20 seconds, the second image is ready, this time with the dramatic dragon scene. Look at the details, the environment, the cinematic lighting, the intensity. Everything looks incredible. Now I'll paste the third prompt, and within seconds, the third scene is also generated. Now I'll continue pasting Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, and so on, one by one, and you can see how this website keeps generating stunning, high-quality story visuals based on our prompts. Every scene is unique. Every character stays consistent. Every environment feels cinematic. Now I'll paste the next prompt. And again, another amazing image appears, featuring the alien in a powerful scene. So as you can see, I've now generated all the scenes I need. The scenes that I don't need, I simply delete. That's very important. Only keep the best scenes that match your vision. Now you can see, I've generated around 8 to 10 complete story scenes. Let me scroll through them and show you one by one. All of these images look incredibly detailed, consistent, and professionally styled. The character design remains strong throughout. The storytelling feels visually connected, and the overall quality is amazing. Now from here, I'll download my favorite scenes, the ones I want to use in my final video. After downloading, I'll save them to my system and prepare them for the next step. So viewers, as you can see, the characters look unique, the scenes are powerful, and the results are extremely impressive. And now, we move to the next step, image to video. Let's go create cinematic motion from these images. Okay viewers, now we've moved to the next step. Here, I've opened the website called Grok AI. Yes, viewers, this platform is absolutely amazing for converting images into video automatically. So without wasting any time, you simply need to click on the Imagine option. After clicking on Imagine, I'll paste my first image right here. Alright, the first image has been uploaded. Now this usually takes around 20 to 30 seconds to process and convert the image into a cinematic video. Let's wait for a moment. And there you go. As you can see, our first video is now ready, complete with motion and voiceover. You don't even need to write complex instructions. You just upload the image and the tool automatically generates movement, transitions, and even voice. Now I'll upload the second image. Again, no prompt needed, just upload. We wait a few seconds, and you can see the second image has now been converted into a video. The alien has motion, the environment feels alive, and even the dragon's mouth movement has been added automatically, all without writing any extra prompt. Now I'll upload the third image. After uploading, I'll wait a few seconds again. And as you can see, the third image has also been converted into a cinematic video in a very unique way. While doing this, I'm also downloading each scene one by one. Now let's upload the fourth image. We wait a few seconds, and the fourth video scene is ready with its own magical motion and effects. Finally, I'll upload the last scene, the dream sequence. After all the scenes are generated, I simply click on the download option and save all the videos to my system. And just like that, all our scenes are ready. We now have multiple cinematic clips generated from our images, with motion, effects, and voice automatically added. So, viewers, after saving all these scenes, we're now moving to the final step. Let's bring everything together and create the final video. Okay, viewers, now for the final step. First, open CapCut, because now we're going to arrange all of our generated clips into a proper sequence so our full story comes together. Once CapCut is open, I'll drag all the video clips that we downloaded into the timeline. After dragging them in, I'll start arranging them in order. We want the scenes to follow a clear storytelling sequence, which scene comes first, which comes next, and how the story flows visually. So now I'll move each clip one by one and place it exactly where it should be. Wherever a scene belongs in the story, I'll position it there so everything feels smooth and connected. Once the sequence is set, I'll begin adding transitions between each scene. This is very important because we don't want the next scene to start abruptly. Transitions help create a cinematic flow and give the viewer the feeling that the story is progressing naturally. So I'll add transitions one by one between all the clips. Alright viewers, now let me preview the final result before exporting. As you can see, the video is now fully arranged, the storytelling feels smooth, and everything looks ready. Now this is the final step. I'll click on the export option. After clicking Export, choose your preferred resolution and settings, depending on where you want to upload the video, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. Then click Export again. Within a few seconds, your final video will be rendered and saved to your system. And just like that, your complete cinematic story video is ready to upload. You can now upload it to your YouTube channel or any platform you like. Alright viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI content creation tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.